Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by inserting the image. Open Insert Image and pick Upload, Drive, or URL. Place the image and drag a corner to size it roughly as you want. Resizing keeps composition intact. Once the image is on the page, change its text wrapping to in front of text or wrap text so you can layer text freely. This step is crucial because the wrapping mode determines whether text can sit on top of the image or will push around it, so make that choice now. Once the image is ready, use Insert Drawing New to add text that sits precisely over the photo. In Drawing, click the text box, type your copy, and then style it. Choose font, size, color, and add bold or shadow for legibility. Use a semi-transparent shape behind text if contrast is low. That helps legibility without hiding the image. Position and align text exactly where you want it. When satisfied, click Save and the combined image plus text. To finish, fine-tune placement and export readiness. Use image options to lock aspect ratio, rotate, or nudge the image with arrow keys. If you need to edit the text later, double-click the drawing to reopen and change typography or background shapes. Make sure to set the wrapping mode correctly. If text seems to vanish or get clipped, switch to in front of text. That fixes most overlay issues. If alignment drifts, group elements inside the drawing so they stay locked together during final adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.